All right. Hey there, class. Welcome back. Hope you all had a restful, refreshing Thanksgiving break. Good to see most of you all back. I know some of you all were still out. Hope to see you tomorrow. If you were absent, hopefully you'll get a chance to review this video and prepare for tomorrow's test. If not, we'll give you an opportunity to complete it by the end of the week. Now, there is a study guide for this. Okay, if you want to pause right here and scan the QR code, it should take you directly to our study guide, and you'll see that there are 20 questions there. So go ahead and pause and scan the QR code. So today we looked at we just did a little test prep, test review. There are 26 questions on your test tomorrow. 6 of those questions are document-based questions. We like to refer to as DBQ questions. You will get either a map or a chart, and you should be able to find the answer to the question in that map or chart that they provide. Okay, so those 6 questions are not listed on the study guide. Instead, I gave you the other 20 test questions on this study guide, and these are the questions that will appear on the test. And what we did today is we went over to Padlet and we answered the questions. Okay, so let me take you there. Now, as you can see from this view, each period has its own Padlet. And when I click on it, you'll see that most, if not all of these are given the thumbs up. I went through and reviewed the answers, and we got most of the questions off of the study guide on here, and that should give you a nice head start. The questions you don't see, you can answer on your own. Now, I want you to look for 2 things here, okay? If you go over to Class Graph, and I did this for each of the periods, and you click on messaging and you go to class announcements, you'll notice that I put a copy of the Padlet there for you, and I also put a practice test in Blukit, okay? So you can click on those links, and I believe I did that for each period here. You can click on these links and use them to practice, and then also use them to review. Okay, and that is all in ClassGraph. Okay, each one of those are there. Now, when you click on the links to Blukit, you'll notice that each class has its own link. Okay, each one has its own link, and they all expire, tomorrow, but at different times tomorrow. So, again, you can access this practice test link with the actual questions in ClassGraph. Okay, so that is it. Make sure that you prepare, all right, for the 20 questions, and then you should have no problem answering the 6 questions that are document based. Okay, see you tomorrow. Good luck.